Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear step bumper, power moonroof, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.